Content creation has been utilized by a lot of business owners to advance and grow their business. Also, most people have used the act of content creation to create an online business. Now, I'm going to be explaining people in these two categories and how you can get started yourself as well. First and foremost, the first people are people who already have a business. You're providing a service or you're selling a product. Your content serves your customers better and attract more people to patronize your business. Now, I would always advise that if you have businesses in this form, either service based, have a product based business, I would always advise that you go through social media in two routes. That means have your short form social mediums and also your long form. So that would be by you saying you have to probably have a YouTube channel, because that way you're able to like talk in depth about the services that you provide. These are long form platforms and they are search engine optimized. Secondly, are the group of people who love content creation. They don't have a business of their own, but they can leverage on other people's business to earn through content creation. And this set of people, there are various things they can do. So we have affiliate marketing, we have UGC content creators, and then we also have content creator service providers. So the first set of people are affiliate marketers. So you want to find a niche. You're interested in creating content around fashion, or you're interested in creating content about technology. So that could be your niche, and then you start creating content around those specific niche, and you look out for affiliate programs in your niche that you can embed in your content. You don't necessarily need to have a large following to earn as an affiliate marketer. You only need to have a rich content bank on your platform that lets people see you as an authority in that niche, or someone who has some kind of expertise. You kind of have a better understanding about that industry, so that way when you recommend products to them, they are able to understand. Also, as a UGC creator, you don't necessarily need to have a page for that, but if you love content creation and you want to work with brands, you just need to build a portfolio. It would always be said that you also find the niche. That way people in that industry know that you have a better understanding on how to create content around those specific niche. I think, or I believe, that having a social media presence is also a plus for your clients to discover you as well. It will also serve as your portfolio. So you don't want to start creating maybe your videos and putting them on your Google Drive. Just having a website or a social media presence will help you as a UGC creator. So what you basically do is that you create user-generated content for brands, showcasing how their brands are important, or how their brands are important to their customers. That way these brands use this content to advertise on their own platforms. So you don't necessarily need to put that on your own platforms. Okay, so if you want more detailed video on UGC creation, what you should know, what you should have, and what you should just put in your contracts in order for you to effectively work with brands, just drop your comments and I'll do well to look into that video. Now, thirdly, content creation based service. So it's likely like a UGC, but not really like UGC. But this is for people who have content creation skills like video editing, photography, writing, graphics design. You have the skill set that revolves around content creation, and then you're going to provide these services to content creators who needs these services. You're using your content creation skill to create a business. These are the different set of people when it comes to utilizing content creation for business, and I hope that this particular video was helpful. Hi guys, my name is Victoria Collins, VKC for short. I'm a digital marketer and a creative entrepreneur, and I drop videos here on YouTube every Friday talking about things related to social media, content creation, and online business. If these are topics you're interested in, do well to click the subscribe button right away, like this video and share it to your friends so that algorithm would know that you got value for this and share it to more people. Until the next video, bye for now.